Hey guys, I'm Brandon with Porch Windows Direct. We have another exciting installation video for you today. We are going to be adding our windows and door into a new home built by Moderno Homes in Prior Lake, Minnesota. The guys are on their way there now, so let's get to it. Another job well done. The guys got all of the windows installed today. As you can see in the video, the builder had put in an aluminum railing into that porch, and they did that originally to pass the final inspection and get the certificate of occupancy. We put our extend windows in there today, and we're actually going to be coming back in a couple of weeks, taking out that aluminum railing and putting in a glass railing system. So we'll make sure to get that video up after that work is done. We just got the glass ordered here. We'll get that video up so you can see what that looks like, the difference between having an aluminum railing and a clear frameless glass railing. If you have any other questions, drop a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. We also, in the description below, will have a link to our full set of installation instructions and another video on how to lay out your porch for the best framing, for ideal sizing for enclosing your porch with the Extend Porch Windows. Thanks for checking out our video, and we'll see you on the next one.